In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your automated workflows with the Formatter by Zapier. Whether you're a seasoned automation pro or just getting started, the Formatter is a powerful tool you'll want to master, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First, we need to open the Zap editor. Once you're in there, you're going to want to add an action step. To do this, head on over to the section where it says Explore Apps. This is where you can add all kinds of actions to your automation. Look for the search bar and type in Formatter by Zapier. When you see it pop up in the list, go ahead and select it. This tool is incredibly versatile and allows you to manipulate your data in various ways, which is perfect for tailoring your automation to meet your specific needs. Next, you're faced with a selection for the type of action you want to perform. This is known as the action event. It's essentially about choosing what kind of data transformation you need. You'll see a drop-down menu with options like text, date, time, or numbers. For instance, if you're handling dates and times, select that category. Similarly, choose text for language data and numbers for numerics. The key is to align this choice with the kind of data you're working with. Once you've chosen your action event, it's time to decide on a specific transformation method. Click on the Transform drop-down to explore all the available options. If you're working with text, options like split text, uppercase, or find and replace might be available. On the other hand, with date bar time, you might find transforming features like format or add subtract. Each option is crafted for specific kinds of edits, allowing your data to be exactly how you need it. Now comes the fun part, configuring your chosen transformation. You'll see an input field, which is where you should map data from one of your previous steps, like using a trigger as a source. The next section is all about options. This will vary based on what transform you've chosen. For instance, if you pick split text, you'll need to enter a separator, which can be anything from a comma to a space. And you'll decide on a segment index, whether it's the first, last, or any other segment that you want to retrieve. If uppercase is your choice, simply input the text you're working with. For date/time formats, you can customize using shorthand codes like YYBYMMDD to get the desired output. Finally, to make sure everything is working smoothly, hit Continue and run a test of your new action. Zapier will process the data based on the instructions you've configured and present you with the results. Take a careful look at this output. It's crucial to ensure everything is in the correct format before you move forward with your automation. And that's it. You've now effectively added and configured a formatter step in your Zap, opening up a world of possibilities for data manipulation in your workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.